Hi guys, in front of me is EMPORIA Smart 5 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first open your phone dialer, go to contacts and pick the contact that you wish to add the profile picture to. Select edit and tap on camera icon. Now you can either grab a photo by tapping on take photo or you can choose something from your gallery. And now just pick the picture that you want to apply. You can customize it however you like. Just crop it, rotate it, and then tap on confirmation mark. So that's it, that would be all. This is how you can smoothly and easily personalize contacts. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.